Alright, this is the fundamental counting principle, and the question is, if the DMV requires specialty plates to include 6 characters, how many 6-character plates could you create? And I created 3 of my own random license plates.
So we did 26 plus 10 plus 3. There's 3 of these. You can have a possibility of like 10. You can have 10 like numbers in, and 26 is there because it's just there. Like 26 plus 10 plus 3 is going to give you 39. And so it's asking to ask you how many 6-character plates you can create. You multiply 39 6 times, and that should get you 3,518,007.
A lot. Get you a lot.
Yeah, I'll give you 700. 743,761. And that's how you do this.
Alright, so we're talking about permutations, combinations. Permutations, the order does matter. Combinations, the order does not matter. So the first problem here is, for permutations, how many ways can the teacher hand out 6 color markers to 4 students? And the order does matter here, because you can hand out 6 color markers to students different ways, different colors in different ways, so the order does matter. So here's the formula for permutations, and that's the answer we got.
Okay, so for combinations, we wrote down from a bowl of 5 different jelly beans, you are only allowed to choose 3. So the order doesn't matter because you're taking jelly beans and you're mixing up in a bowl. So this is an equation for that.
And a roulette wheel, and this is a roulette wheel with numbers 1 through 36 plus a 0 and a double 0. And this is the table we came up with.
So the type of bit, if it's red or black, even or odd, 1 dozen, 6 line straight or straight up, there are different probabilities, different odds, and different payouts. So for example, red will give you a probability of 18 and 18 over 39, which will end up being 9 over 19, and the odds would get you 10.
So 18 out of 39 spins, you'll land on red.
Yeah, and the odds of that are 10 to 9, which for every $9 you put in, you get 10 back. Like you get
so
10
times every.
So pretty much you only get $1 back for every time you win. And for
if you played 38 times and the bet is $1 on each spin, you'd expect to lose $2. The casino has the advantage because the bets are unfair due to the zeros. They do not pay you on the correct odds. Cross rolls the dice and spins the coin 151 times as a part of an experiment. On 73 occasions, the coin lands heads up.
keep going.
On 23 occasions, he rolls a 6. On 66 occasions, he gets neither a head nor a 6 or 4.
That's fine. Anyway, so here's our two-way frequency table.
4, not 6.
4. So heads 11 times, tails 12 times. That equals 23. Not a 4, 62. Shit, how do I do this?
So he rolled a heads and a 4 11 times. Rolled a tails and a 4 12 times, which will equal him to 23. He rolled a heads and not a 4 62 times.
Right.
A tails and not a 4 66 times, which gave him a total of 128. Total of heads 4, heads not 4 is 73 times. Tails not 4 is 78 times, and that gave him a total of 151. What you do here is it, please? Thank you. The probability of him rolling a 6 was 23 out of 151, and we couldn't reduce that anymore.
A 4.
A 4. Thank you, Dylan. A 4. And probability of him rolling a 4, given that the head was flipped, was 11 out of 73. And from this data, rolling a 6 and flipping hand are independent.
Rolling a 4.
Rolling a 4 and heads are independent.
These dice and coins are separate.
Yeah, so they don't. Yeah. So love the grind. You know, to an athlete, loving the grind means just going hard all day in practice, like in the weight room, in the conditioning, and just regular practice, when like for volleyball players, like just going hard on every passing drill, like being mentally and physically focused, and like in all your drills pretty much, and just don't be lazy when it comes to, you know, the certain like key points, like having your platform out or finishing with the set.
So fighting the laziness, it's really easy to be lazy and not do your work or just not get a job or not go to college or whatever it is, but if you get yourself to fight, to love the grind and do things on a consistent basis as far as working goes, then you'll be set for life.
Loving the grind, alright, I'm gonna go at it from an athlete's perspective again. Loving the grind, it's like when you're doing a plank, you realize, wow, this hurts, but you also have to think it's gonna make you stronger, it's gonna help you overall. So it's the same thing with everything in life. Even though it sucks, you have to do it, and you should just enjoy it because it's necessary, and it will help you.